Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create this cotton candy hack on Dress to Impress. Just going to get the sprinklers here, and I'm just going to color it black so there's like no kind of sheen to it. Well, there's like no fireworks on it. Then we're just going to use this fur hat. You can use any pattern that you'd like. You can use this pattern, and then you can also use the other like blue and pink pattern kind of gradient, and the rainbow one as well, like this one. I'll just do this one for a rainbow cotton candy. We're going to position the X to 18, the Y to 18 as well, the position to 0.21, oh sorry, the Z position, and we're going to rotate the X to, let me see, let me just scale it down first, hold on, 2.22, and I'm just going to rotate the X to, let's say this much. I think this is good. Or if you want to see like the size, you can do that, but obviously you'll be able to, well, the shape isn't like cotton candy like, I guess. And I think I'm just going to move the X a little bit here, and I might scale it down just a little. So, okay, position the X at 0.18, Y 0.18, Z 0.21, rotate the X to 0.42, and scale it to 0.17. And that is it. I know it does move with your head, but if you do the mannequin pose, it can stop, although you'll need to kind of adjust it again. So yeah, that is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!